how you can play Minecraft Story Mode. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So Minecraft Story Mode is an, Minecraft game. It was just created by a video game developer. It was called Telltale, and it basically revolves around a story. So here what you needed to do was just play Minecraft, the normal stuff, just build, create, and fight those, but it revolved around a story. So this was available previously, but these days it has been discontinued. If you go to your Steam and if you check it out, if you search for Minecraft Story Mode, you won't find anything. So since it's been discontinued, it's not available online anywhere. So the only thing you can do is try to download the mod. If you don't find the mod, you can just buy a CD, and after you buy a CD, you'll be able to play it. Now you can find that CD on eBay, you can find it on Amazon, or you can just use your computer skills to get it from some place else. But the only thing is that the Minecraft Story Mode is discontinued and you won't be able to download it. So yeah, that is basically it. All you can do to play it is you can just buy a CD from Amazon or eBay or something else, and you can use it. You can buy the disc and use it, and you can use to play it from there. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you can play Minecraft Story Mode these days. And yeah, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye. Take care.